Pistoleta Music.
Hi, puppy. Hi. What are you doing? You posing, huh? Posing for the camera? What are you doing? You ready?
I'm ready if you're ready.
You're live, buddy. All right.
What do I gotta say?
All right. So tell us about this car right here.
This is a...
Okay, actually, if anybody doesn't know, this is Justin. You saw him in the beater video, like last video. Yeah, this is Justin. Okay.
So this is the 70 Challenger that we got from Canada, above Washington State. An original 440 Magnum car, not a 6-pack, 4-speed, green interior. I'm not sure exactly what the color is called from the factory, but it's the original color as well. We're racing in pure stock muscle car drag race, and we are currently taking the motor apart in the car because it wasn't up to snuff, and we have upgrades to do it.
This is your dad's girlfriend's car, right?
Yep, dad's girlfriend's car.
Wasn't fast enough for her.
I ran 13.8, I believe. 13.8 or 13.9 on little tires in the back of the car, but the car's got an 11 in it somewhere. We just gotta find it. But yeah, it's a perfectly restored car. The car was restored 3 years ago, I want to say. 3 years ago, when the first time coming out.
Heck yeah.
We pulled the cylinder heads off it to port the heads, and we realized it had 75 thousandths piston to deck clearance, and that's when we realized we had to go through it and fix it.
So I was gonna say, are these all
Yep.
440 parts?
Yep. There's no purple cam that came out of it from Mopar. Not the original cam, obviously, but an original OE cam for it.
What are these heads for?
These heads are for a Pontiac engine that we're building for a customer. I believe it's a 400. I guess I'm not entirely sure. I haven't been much of a part of this one. But 400 Pontiac that we're building for somebody that's going in a Trans Am, I do believe. And
this is his pride and joy.
This special Antichrist is my vehicle. 67 Chevelle, 396, 375 horsepower. Car's been a best of 1250 at 113, I believe, mile an hour. Tiny polyglass tires weighing in at about 3,900 pounds with me in it. It's a fun car. Had it since high school. Got about 1.5 million stories with it. But
hopefully, when he takes it as a drag strip, you guys will be able to see that.
Sure.
Hopefully we can go. But
4-speed car.
heck yeah. Ooh, it smells good in here.
Old leather, buddy. My first car when I was 13 years old. 69 L78 396 375 horse Nova. Motor sitting underneath the car, the original motor, stamp motor, with the VIN number on it. Work in progress. Been like that for about 13 years now.
You can get it for pretty cheap.
I got a 4,000.
Guy didn't know what it was.
I don't know what the hell it was. Subframes under there. There's original engine sitting right next, or right between the subframe rails there. Got the original axle, transmission, engine, everything else. The motor's probably not gonna go back in it, but this one's Dad's first car. Dad for 52 years now.
Goals. I was gonna say this was painted last time I was here.
Yep. Original car one is 612. I just went through and detailed the interior.
Gosh dang.
He used to street race the car back in the 70s by himself. Had a good time. This car's lost one street race in its entire life. It was against a Z28 Camaro with a 488 gear in it.
No
lost
kidding.
by about half a fender.
One?
Yep. This car lost one street race ever in its life.
Holy crap. So what, same motor as yours, just
Yep.
a little built? Or what?
Actually, this car, my car actually held the candle for the fastest CT until last year when mine didn't start at the Pure Stock race. Then this car squeezed a 1252 out of its ass out of nowhere. Of course, he bragged about it because he wanted to. He has full supporting rights to do so, but
Because you can.
hopefully we can get old Blue back running. See what it'll do. 6 liter I'm building for a 78 Chevy Malibu. That's going to handle a 88mm turbo. Built for boost. Set up for boost. Fun little engine, fun little car.
Fun little engine, he says.
Yep.
Oh yeah, I saw that on the thing.
Draper Chevrolet way back in 1967.
$3,500.
Where was that? North Michigan.
375.
The option that made this car one is 612, 375, 6L78H was $105 way back in the day.
$105.
$105 that makes this car one of 612 originally.
Good grief.
Well, the whole car was only $3,500.
$500, yeah.
I was gonna say I didn't
Much
think
less
so.
than
But
612. 4-speed was $105. I mean, just if you break down the option list on this car, it's just, I mean,
yeah. Tinted windshield.
seat belts, deluxe seat belts, $6.
$6. Good grief.
Wheel trim
Oh, he's
covers,
got $600 in options, so really the car
21.
was only
$21 in the wheel trim covers, antenna $9. I mean, tinted windshields back in the day, $21.10.
Oh my gosh, that's freaking sweet.
Bolero red.
Did you drive around with this
$0
motor or this thing in it?
Yep, it's been the car since.
rear
she almost had
axle
it.
ratio, 215.
215?
$2.15.
Oh, like yeah,
Yeah, this car came from the factory with a 331 on it. It does not have that now, but
yeah.
what's this
Final
car?
top 72.
Mine's got a 433, so this one's got a 410 in it. 411. Yep.
Any special moments on the wall here, or not really?
Bunch of them. Each one of these is my dad, my brother, my other brother racing. I don't have one of my car on there, but that's the car back with the old wheels on it. That's actually the guy he ran the first 12 second pass with.
That Mustang?
Probably,
Oh, yeah.
yep, is a 69.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks pretty beefy. So let's
69,
see.
69, oh, what the hell was that car? It was a 428 Cobra Jet car.
Oh yeah.
That's the car I learned how to drag race in there. Ran them since the time I was 14 to, 16 or 17. I ran that car. I could have been 18 actually. My brother, he's got a 60 Z28 Camaro that's at his house right now. I showed it to you. That car's been 13.0000000, but will not break into the 12s. This is my sister's car. This is one we just got done. That's actually the first car Dad painted. Not this year, but last year, so 2 Septembers ago. It's just a small block 327 car we got out of California. That the original Tri-City Dragway sign that actually came out of Tri-City.
Yeah,
Dragway,
so
when they closed in 70s, I want to say.
that dragway, he was telling me that dragway is like, what, abandoned now?
Hmm?
Oh my gosh. But you say you might be able to get
Still
in there?
there.
Still there. We might be able to go there one day.
Airport property.
That would be sick, dude.
It's airport. You got to get in there. Special terms. It's airport property. It's right next to the airport, but the tower's still there. Both lanes are still there. The return road's still there. The bathrooms are still there. That's about it, but everything's overgrown. It's pretty creepy to look at. But if you go up into the tower, they took the stairs down now, and that top layer's not there anymore. So it's just the white part that you can see. If you go up in there, there's still a bunch of timesheets from the 60s in there.
No kidding, dude.
Well, actually, come check this out. So we went up there probably 5 years ago. We found my uncle's timesheet from, there's got to be a year on it, 74. Found my uncle's timesheet from 74. Found my dad's buddy from 76. My other dad's buddy from 74. My dad with the red car that we just saw in the paint booth from 74.
Oh my god.
Yep. With the same Chevelle, 67 Chevelle 396, raced in E-stock back then it raced with a 325 horse motor because 375 horse wasn't competitive, because 375 horse would have put you in B or C stock, which you would have been racing the Hemi cars, you would have been racing the Boss 429 Mustangs. So he took away, he put a different intake on, a different carburetor on it, and ran it 396, 325 horse instead of 375 horse, and E-stock instead of C-stock. Actually, won a couple events with it. Dad's other buddy, 67 Camaro, yeah, from 75. We're up there, honest to God, this was probably 5 years ago. You walk up and there's timesheets from anyone, and you go up there and we found all the family. We're missing probably half the cars. The 65's gone, the 69's gone, the Camaro's gone, the 68 Chevelle's gone. A lot of the cars out of the entire garage.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna jump around here again. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys found the garage pretty cool. So basically, it's gonna be a place we're gonna try and work a lot. Yeah, he's got the Chevelle for a drag car, whole drag family and everything. So it's gonna be pretty cool. Hopefully gonna get to the garage, start working with him. He's gonna have a surprise car that I'm not gonna tell what it is, but he's gonna have a car that's gonna be here in like a couple weeks, maybe a month or so, and we're gonna start putting some mods into that thing. Hopefully I can bring the show over to his place, and then that way I can start like doing stuff that's not motor related, like the actual white show, bring it over to his place and do like sway bars and links and bushings and rear control arms, gas tank, fuel pump, kind of that kind of stuff that doesn't involve the front end. So we're gonna see what goes on, but hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys liked the garage, and if you enjoyed, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.